get serious.
Let's get baked.
Okay, it's to come duct tape. Let's get baked.
I was just about to say that.
Ow! You took off hair. I have naturally long arm hair. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, there's something in my eye.
Around here.
Which one?
Here we go.
There's something in my eye.
One more time. Getting it for you.
I'm not kidding. Where? Oh,
You might need
oh
to-
no, there's hair in my mouth. Wait, move the hair. I have gorilla arms. This actually kind of hurts.
Yeah, like my arms are like dying right now.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey. So we're gonna be baking fudge brownies, but with a twist. We can't use our hands. I guess we just go for it.
Okay, so first we have to open up the box. Stop, you're gonna drop it. Oh my gosh. She got
Get
it.
in there. Okay, can you like flip it over, grab it from the bottom, shake her out? Yeah. You should put your hair out. This is gross. This is unsanitary baking.
I can't do this.
Look at it. I'm stuck and I can't. Swear to God. Ashton. Wait, how do I zoom back out now? Hang on. Keep going. She got it. Wow. Look at you. Oh, so far.
Alright, so now we
We have 3 tablespoons of water.
3 tablespoons of water. Ew! Oh my god.
What?
It's a tin. Nope.
Winning! Okay, now. Oh. Vegetable oil.
Alright, you guys know I can't do this part.
I'm gonna dump this on myself. I'm gonna be pissed. You should take your socks off. Because then you can get a better grip on it.
Oh no.
We've got a substitution. Morgan doesn't want to take her socks off.
Forgot to take gloves.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. Maybe you should just like pour some in there. Because I feel like pouring it into the half a cup is not going to work out.
We can just. I know the mic. It almost fell. Oh,
Now time for huevos.
Salmonella.
Here you go.
I'm really nervous.
Oh.
She's gonna drop it.
She gone. Oh, no.
No, Ashton, just crack it.
Just crack her
Do
in.
not put that in your mouth.
Can you, Thanks. Oh. Okay, feel free to drop it. Now you guys have to mix.
Okay, but we. Okay. No, turn it down, slow it down, slow it down!
This is gonna go. This is gonna go wrong. I don't know when, but it's going to. Keep going.
Okay.
Look at where you got that. Oh, I don't want to Keep going.
Okay, chill. Look at it all. Oh my god, it's gonna slip. It's slipping. It's slipping.
It's slipping.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Why did we just do that in the first place? That's so much easier. Honey, what you doing?
No, it's
All over the side of the bowl.
Hello.
Hello.
The battery died and we couldn't film the outro. The brownies came out. They were pretty good. We only had one hair in them, but they were super moist.
Really, really delicious.
Overall, 10 out of 10. Would recommend.
Do it again.
That was actually good.